Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to increase the email font size in Gmail. If you've been squinting at your screen or just want your emails to be more readable, adjusting the default font size can make a real difference in your day-to-day communication. First, open your web browser and head over to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. This will bring you to your main inbox where you'll be able to access all the customization settings we need. Now, look to the top right corner of your inbox and click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This opens up a quick menu with several options. From here, click on See All Settings to access the full settings menu where you can make more detailed adjustments to your Gmail experience. You'll land on the General tab, which is exactly where we need to be. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Default Text Style. This is the control center for how your email text appears by default every time you compose a new message. Within the default text style section, you'll see a font size drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll be presented with 4 size options: small, normal, large, or huge. Choose the size that feels most comfortable for you. If you're looking for better readability, large or huge are great choices that make your text stand out without being overwhelming. While you're here, you can also adjust other style settings like font type and text color if you want to personalize your emails even further. These optional tweaks can help you create a signature look for your outgoing messages. Once you're satisfied with your selections, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. This ensures that your new default font size will be applied to all future emails you compose. To see your changes in action, click the Compose button and start typing a new email. You'll immediately notice the updated font size. Keep in mind that you can also adjust the font size for individual emails at any time using the formatting toolbar in the Compose window, giving you flexibility when you need it. Thanks for watching.